Hi, I'm Tutor Phil, and today I want to show you how to write an introductory paragraph. So this would be our introductory paragraph structure. As you can see, it consists of three parts. You begin with an introductory sentence, then you state your thesis, which is your main point, and then you list your supporting points, which are your supporting ideas. All right, let me give you 4 steps to writing an introductory paragraph. Step 1. Pick your subject and write down your main point. Here's our sample main point. People who cannot accept criticism are unable to succeed. This is a perfect thesis. Step 2. Find the ideas to support your main point. And to do that, we're going to use the power of 3. Now, you know from the rest of my videos probably that I always talk about the power of 3. Why? Because it's the easiest number to divide an essay topic into. So let's do it. Let's find 3 supporting points for our argument that people who cannot accept criticism are unable to succeed. Let's find the first one. Now, they cannot succeed because they repeat their mistakes. That makes sense, right? If you cannot accept criticism, then you will probably keep repeating your mistakes. The next one, they cannot succeed because they don't get along well with other people. That also makes sense. Now let's think of the third one, and it would be that they cannot succeed because they cost their companies too much money. Now in step 3, we write the main and the supporting points as one paragraph. People who cannot accept criticism are unable to succeed for 3 reasons. They tend to repeat their mistakes, they usually don't get along well with other people, and they cost their companies too much money. And note that this is a perfect thesis statement. But now we need to do one more thing. We need to add the introductory sentence. And let's do it. In order to thrive in this competitive world, it is necessary to appreciate the value of constructive criticism. So we're using this sentence to introduce the main point. Let's see how it works in a complete introductory paragraph. In order to thrive in this competitive world, it is necessary to appreciate the value of constructive criticism. People who cannot accept criticism are unable to succeed for 3 reasons. They tend to repeat their mistakes, they usually don't get along well with other people, and they cost their companies too much money. And if you look at the anatomy of this paragraph, you notice exactly what's going on. It proceeds from general to specific. The first sentence is the most general. It introduces the main point. Then the main point is people who cannot accept criticism are unable to succeed. The power of 3 is there in the 3 reasons, and then you spell out exactly what the reasons are. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. There's your complete introductory paragraph. All right, I hope this was helpful. I've written a complete tutorial on essay writing for beginners, which you can read on my blog. So if you're struggling with essay writing or you need to learn from scratch, I strongly recommend this tutorial. I'll include the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.